StudyMojo.com.
Next question is also from 13.3, exercise 13.3. Question number 7. The question is, a cylindrical bucket 32 meter high with radius of the base 18 centimeter is filled with sand. This bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. If the height of the conical heap is 24 centimeter, find the radius and slant height of the heap. This is the question. There is a cylindrical bucket which is full of sand, and this sand is emptied into the ground and made a conical heap. We have to find the radius and slant height of the cone. For that, it is given that the cylindrical bucket is 32 centimeter high. Cylinder whose height is h is equal to 32 centimeter. And base radius of the base r is equal to 18 centimeter. It is made into a cone whose measure is conical heap. Height of the conical heap is 24. H is equal to 24 centimeter. These are the things given in the question. So first of all, we have to find out the volume of sand in the cylindrical container, cylindrical bucket. Volume of sand. Volume of sand. Formula is pi r square h. Pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Radius r and height h is given in the question, and since the two shapes, cylinder and cone, are containing pi in the volume, so we need not give the value of pi in such cases. So it is pi into r square, 18 into 18 into 32 centimeter cube. This is the volume of sand in the cylindrical vessel. Now, it is transferred into the shape of a cone, volume of cone. Volume of cone. Formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the volume of the cone. 1 by 3 pi r square h, giving values 1 by 3 pi into radius. We are not knowing the radius, so write it as r square into h. H is equal to 24 centimeter cube. Now 3 and 24 get cancelled, it is 8. So the volume of cone is equal to pi into r square into 8 centimeter cube. Now we can equate these two volumes, equating the volumes. Equating the volumes. We are getting pi into r square into 8 is equal to pi into 18 into 18 into 32. So pi and pi get cancelled. Therefore, r square is equal to 18 into 18 into 32 divided by 8. This 8 and 32 get cancelled. The result is 4. Therefore, to find the value of the radius r, we have to take the square root of the right side, because r square is equal to 18 into 18 into 4. Therefore, the value of r is equal to square root of 18 into 18 into 4. Since there are two 18s, 18 into 18 inside the radical sign, the radical sign means square root. So, the square root of 18 into 18 is equal to 18 into square root of 4. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. So, it is 36. 18 into 2, 36 is the radius. A radius is equal to 36 centimeter. One answer is obtained. Now, we have to find out the slant height. Slant height L is equal to, the formula for finding the slant height L is equal to root of h square plus r square. Root of h square 24 square plus r square, it is 36 square. This is equal to root of 24 square is equal to 576 and 36 square is equal to 1296. Adding, we are getting 1296 and 576. 12, 17, 8, 1, which is equal to 1872. But this is inside the radical sign, and 1872 is not a perfect square because its unit digit is 2. Since the units digit is 2, it is not a perfect square number and we cannot find the square root as a perfect number. So we can factorize 1872. We are factorizing 1872. Dividing 2, it is 936 again with 2, 46, 8. Again with 2, 234. Again with 2, 11, 170. Now with 3. 3 3s are 9, 39. Again 3, it is 13. Now we are getting as 2 square into 2 square into 3 square into 13. So the result is 2 into 3 into root 13. Slant height L is equal to 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12 root 13. 12 root 13 centimeter is the slant height of the conical part. So, we are obtaining the slant height L as 12 root 13 because 1872 is not a perfect square. So, we cannot find the square root as a perfect whole number. So, we are factorizing 1872. We are getting 2 into 2, 2 square. Again 2 into 2, 2 square. 3 into 3, 3 square. And 13. 13 is a prime number. So, further simplification is not possible. So, 2 into 2 into 3 is the square root of 2 square into 2 square into 3 square. 2 into 2 into 3. Then inside the radical sign, the prime number 13. So, multiplying, we will get the slant height as 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, root 13 is the slant height. So, the two results, first one is radius is equal to 36 centimeter and the slant height L is equal to 12 root 13 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay.